Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today I'm sharing one of my favorite cake recipes with you, and that is for chocolate chip cake. Let's get started.
As always, we start with our ingredients. 1/3 cup or 80 grams of butter, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of vegetable oil, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. I do not recommend using vanilla sugar for this recipe, the flavor is too weak. Half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 2 3/4 cups or 345 grams of flour, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk. I'm using lactose-free milk, but any kind of milk works, including milk alternatives. 6 egg whites beaten to stiff peaks. And the most important ingredient, 2 cups of chocolate chips or 300 grams dark chocolate bars chopped into chunks. I start out with my egg whites. I separate my egg whites into a large container. Then I beat them with an electric mixer until they form stiff peaks. Then in a large mixing bowl, I cream my butter until creamy. Then I add the oil and sugar. Now the vanilla. Add the dry ingredients in 3 parts and the milk in 2 parts until completely combined. Next, fold in the egg whites. Try not to knock too much of the air out of them while you're doing it. Next, chop your chocolate into chunks. It doesn't have to be too small. Then fold it into your batter. It should look something like this. You can add more or less chocolate to taste. Bake it in your favorite baking pan at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. When finished, it should look something like this. It browns nicely on the outside, but the inside is white and gorgeous. Look at those lovely chocolate flecks. This cake is light and fluffy and delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Tag me on Instagram if you make it yourself. I would love to see your work. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more.